The textural aspect of jewelry, and I see that coming out more and more in my work. I'm Donna St Amant, and I'm a jeweler, metalsmith, and I'm in Westport. I started jewelry 9 years ago, and prior to that it was a photography studio for me down here. What I love about jewelry is there's just so many different techniques and so much to learn. I guess that's true in anything, but I really find that I'm gravitating to more and more different techniques, and there's a new class, and I can add that in my work, so it's just been really fun for me. This is the 24 karat gold, and it comes in this really thin sheet. So first I start out with a little mixture of glue, a clear fire glue, and I'll put the gold on there, and then I'll put it on this little kiln. Heat it up to about 700 degrees because that's the temperature that the two will bond. So once that gets on there, and we let it heat up, I'll take these agate burnishers and just burnish it down. So between the heat and the burnishing, the pressure, the two metals will fuse. Well, not fuse, they'll diffusion bond. Once it's getting hot enough, take the burnisher and just sort of tack each piece down in the middle. Make sure that it doesn't slip. I used to go on tour and just see everyone's studio and think I want to do this someday.